Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. I'm coming on today with another DIY to share with you guys. I'm going to bling out a sign. So let's get into the items that we'll be using today. Alright you guys, I got this nice Cherish sign from Dollarama. We have glitter and Mod Podge, and we have our bling wrap from Totally Dazzled, and our flower mesh wrap from Amazon. And our glass square pieces we can get from Amazon or eBay. And we have our E6000 and our tools we'll be using and our glue gun. Alright you guys, let's get started. Okay, we're going to start by using our bling gems. We'll be using the small, the medium, and the large. All of them we'll be placing going along the C.
Summer comes around, he should be around you. Yeah, he should be. And I'm not trying to be a hater, but tell me why.
And now we'll be adding the bling wrap going along the H.
Oh, baby girl, you straight. He don't know what he's got. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize you. Real recognize real. And if he ain't claiming you, girl, you know you better give with me. Cause I'm waving. You know I'm waving, baby. Waving, baby. Yeah, I'm waving. Ooh, you know I'm waving, baby.
And for the E, we're going to be starting with the gems again, you guys. Are you picking up my pattern? Now I'm putting the gems on the S also because it was a little too hard to cut it out with the bling wrap. I didn't like how it looked, so I'm adding the gems to the S, although the gems are on the I also. And for the H, we'll put the mesh wrap, the bling wrap.
Baby, why's your man not here? Tell me where he gone.
And here's our finished look, you guys. I placed it above the mirror in my bedroom. Cherish. So I'll always remember as I come in through my door, you know, cherish the little things that you have in life. You know, that's what we need to do. I love how it turned out. I was going to use the glitter on the bottom, but I decided not to. I just put some large gems on the bottom only because I didn't want to cover up the black because the mirror, as you can see in my room, is black. So it just adds, you know, to the decor. It looks very nice. Alright everyone, I hope I've inspired you once again with another lovely DIY idea. You know, you can get these nice signs that they have in the stores and add your touch to them. You know, make it your style, make it your own, and it will look very nice. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had for you guys for today. And don't forget to like, leave me a comment and tell me what you think. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I like to come up with and share with you guys. Alright everyone, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye.
No, he don't recognize you. Real recognize real. And if he ain't claiming you, girl, you know you better give him